put some flour on the mat to start rolling the dough for the sweet bread. So I stretch it and let it rest for at least 3 hours in one place. So it really doubled in size already. And it's my first time trying to make this sweet bread dough recipe. And I just hope it comes out fine. So I'm going to divide this into 3 portions. And so like this, 3. And stretch this one out. It's like we need more space for this. Let's see if I can just work it, right? So, to the middle, bring it to the middle, and then you have to roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it this way, that way, and then you have to roll it this way. And you place it here. Let's work with the next one. Roll it, stretch it, stretch it, stretch it this way. And you bring it to the middle, and then we're gonna roll together and roll it up. Place it in the baking pan, and lastly, but not least, the last one. Not pretty big, a lot of dough, but bring it to the center, then roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, and roll once more the opposite way. And now I need to make an egg wash with some milk and brush them. So it looks like something like this. And I have another piece there. Let me make an egg wash, which is egg wash with milk. Oopsie. With the egg yolk. Egg yolk. And a drop of milk. Turn on the oven. So we make an egg wash with the yellow yolk and some milk. And we're going to brush it over the top of the egg. So, like this. We give it an egg brush with milk. It's supposed to be very sweet red, so I just hope it comes out nicely. So far everything looks great. Fingers crossed. And again, this is my first time ever making it, and I'm happy with the way, and this is how they look. And I'm going to put them to bake for at least 30 minutes. Push me to left.